Hi everyone, welcome back to GameMaker Cast. It's Mickey, and in this video tutorial, let's learn about Chainable Libraries. For this example, I have created a simple draw class. We have some set color, alpha, reset. We're able to draw text, lines, and rectangles. Again, you can see this is kind of just a wrapper function off of the commands we already have. If we go over to our object draw stuff, you can check out the create event where we are newing up a instance of that class, and then in the draw event we're having some draw functions being called, and if I run my game you can see that the draw calls are being put to the screen. Now what I want to do is I want to transform this library to be chainable. This just means that instead of doing all of this here, what we can do is we can simplify things by saying draw set color, text, and then reset. So to do this, let's open up a draw class, and this is actually going to be pretty easy. What we need to do for each one of our functions is we need to return self, which is going to return the class. This will allow us to chain on multiple commands. So I want to make sure that in each one I'm using return self. Now if I switch back to my draw stuff, you can see here that we already have one. So if I hit F5, the first one's going to be chained together and it's going to work just as expected. This means that we can go through and we can change some of our other code. We can clear everything up. And now when I hit F5, we can see that everything is nice and tidy and it's working as expected. This just means that we are able to chain the commands together and make some functionality pretty easily and keep our code clean. I hope you enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your patience, as I've recently had some surgery done on my mouth. As you can tell, I'm just getting back to talking. A special shout out to those from Patreon: GameMaker Community, Mary, Ashby, David, Robert, Paul, Timothy, River, Victor, and Mark. Once again, thank you all.